Today I want to talk about some of the key contradictions in Agile and what is the right thing to do in those scenarios. So what are those key contradictions in Agile? One is, on one hand we say that embrace the change, and on the other hand we say do not accept a change in a sprint. So what is the right thing to do? Well, embracing the change is one of the key principles of Agile and one of the key reasons Agile exists. So we should allow customers to keep making changes in the scope as per the business priority to maximize the value of the product. But when it comes to a sprint, when a sprint scope is locked, at that time should we allow or not? Well, we encourage not to change the scope within the sprint as far as possible. But if the change is important and the customer value outweighs the efforts of a replanning of some of the sprint scope, then we should be open for that and we should allow that to maximize the value of the product. So the key here is the customer value over efforts of replanning. Next is, on one hand you say deliver fast and on the other hand you say fail fast. What does that mean? Well, fail fast is an approach in Agile where we try to deliver the functionality in smaller chunks to the customer and get their feedback fast on it. So if we know if this doesn't align with the customer's expectations, we can rework on it early in the cycle. No matter how much you have discussed the requirements with the customer to understand what exactly they want, unless the product gets into customer's hand, they'll not really fully know what they want. That's why this deliver fast and fail fast approach came in, that you really keep building in smaller chunks, deliver it to the customer, get it reviewed, get their feedback, and if it doesn't align with their expectations, just correct it and correct it early in the cycle. So that is the right way, or that is the best way to deliver the customer value really fast. Next one is deliver fast but with a better quality. So how can you deliver fast and at the same time with a better quality than waterfall, where we used to have a dedicated phase for testing each and every functionality thoroughly? Well, so the answer to this in Agile is DevOps. DevOps enables us to do automation on all kind of testing that gives you maximum coverage on the testing, that lets you test fast within a sprint, and that way you can identify defects early in the cycle. So if you can identify those early in the cycle, you can fix those early in the cycle. That gives a better quality product. So DevOps is the key. Automating the testing is the key for the better quality in Agile. Next contradiction is have small release cycles and keep delivering fast continuously. But on the other hand, don't burn your team out. So how does that work? Well, you really need to find a right balance in delivering the scope that can be sustained indefinitely by your team. That's the key. You need to have a healthy prioritized backlog with smaller stories, yet valuable, which can be picked by the team from the backlog and keep delivering in small releases. In Agile, the team is self-organized empowered. So they are really able to find that right balance of delivering the scope indefinitely that can be sustained by the team. To watch many such videos on Agile Scrum, you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching.